In other news, to the neighboring Uganda, where security agencies deployed heavily in some parts of Kampala in anticipation of possible demonstrations. However, for their business side, traders in downtown Kampala opened their shops and it was business as usual. Here's a report from NBS Uganda.
This morning, the streets of Kampala became the stage for bold protests led by youth commonly known as Gen Z. Dressed in black as a symbol of resistance and unity, the group marched with a singular message calling for transparency and accountability in the face of rampant corruption. The demonstrators aimed to reach Parliament to deliver their demands. However, they were met with a heavy police presence that had been strategically deployed across major junctions in the city to intercept their progress. Many protesters attempted to stand their ground, voicing their frustrations over the misuse of public funds and calling for the Speaker's resignation.
Anita must resign! Anita must resign! We are fighting corruption! We are not fighting security! We are fighting corruption! We are not fighting security! We are fighting corruption!
In response, the police, supported by other security agencies, moved in to disperse the crowd. Despite their attempt to resist arrest, at least more than 10 individuals were detained and taken into custody.
You guys, you cannot take me, I don't know. Musada! Anita must resign, man. We are fighting corruption and you guys, you're just one way.
What have I done? I'm just moving up, going up.
The police have justified the action, citing the need to maintain public order and safety.
Well, tomorrow's standard is ready and it's already coming your way.